Chord's theorem says, the Chord theorem says the straight line joining the center of a circle to a midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. I'll repeat once more. The straight line joining the center of a circle. So we should know where is our center. Okay, this is our center. The straight line joining the center of the circle to midpoint of the chord. So we should have a chord as well. Okay, this is my chord. And when you connect midpoint of the circle and center of the chord, these two, it would be perpendicular to each other. This is the theorem. I'll repeat once more. The straight line joining the center of the circle. Usually we are using capital O letter to indicate the center of the circle. And this is connecting midpoint of the chord. Midpoint of the chord means that should bisect the chord, no? Midpoint means exact midpoint means total length was bisected. So that's why I used similar hyphens to denote this length and this length both are same. So when you connect, so this line would be perpendicular to the chord. This is our chord theorem. Usually we are using this theorem to find Pythagorean relationship, and we need to impose this theorem into the Pythagorean triangles to find the answer inside the circles. When you have a Pythagorean triangle, that means right triangle inside the circle, we need to use this chord theorem usually. The straight line joining center of the circle and midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Don't forget this theorem. This is really important. So in this case, if we have something like this, when you connect the midpoint and this line, you will have, this is a radii. No? This would be a radii. If one of these sides are known, if we know this one as 8 centimeter and radii as 10 centimeter, we can use the Pythagorean relationship to find the height of this line. What are the given details? Radii is 5 centimeters. So here we can use the chord theorem. No? This line would be perpendicular to this one. So here we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Radii is 5 centimeters. So this is 5. If AB is 8, the entire length is 8. That will be bisected by the midpoint. No? So this particular length, it would be 4 centimeter. Here you can see kind of this triangle. This is 4. The hypotenuse is 5. This CD, this is the height we need to find. So when we use the Pythagorean relationship here, a hypotenuse square, 5 square, that is equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. 5 square is 25. 4 square 16 plus CD square. I'll bring the 16 here, that would be 9. That is equals to CD square. So square will become a square root here. So CD would be square root of 9. That will give you CD as 3 centimeter. So this is the way you need to apply the chord theorem inside the circle. The thing, so here OX was given. OX is 7 meter and radii is 25 meters. So I will connect this. So this is 25 meter. When you apply Pythagorean relationship in this triangle, 25 square, hypotenuse square equals to 7 square plus ZX square. Okay, you can find the answer for ZX as 24. But what is the question is to find YZ. Question is to find YZ. No, YZ means double of 24. So YZ would be 2 times of 24. That will give you the answer as 48 meters. That is the perfect answer.